Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we're going to be showing you guys how to make Denny's breakfast super slam. Alright, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some sausage right here, some sausage links. You're going to need, well, I'm making two, so you're going to need some eggs. This is 4 eggs. You're going to need some hash browns. That's what this is right here. Okay, now what you do with that is, if you make, well, what you do with that, I did this. I filled this up, and then I filled the water up to the top level of it, and let it sit for like maybe an hour or two. All right, and then you can drain the rest of the water out. That's what you do with this. All right. All right, I got some BISQUICK for my pancakes. That's what I got right there. And all I did was put 2 cups of BISQUICK in here. I put 2 eggs. I put a cup of water in that. All right. You're gonna need some bacon. This is my bacon right here. I'm just gonna put mine in the oven. You can cook it on the grill or on the stove or however you cook yours. And I did put a teaspoon of vanilla in the extract. You're gonna need some butter and you're gonna need some grease. All right, and some olive oil. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with our pancakes, and let's go ahead to the stove. See you guys over there in a minute. All right, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my bacon and my sausage link in the oven. All right, I can cook this at like 350 degrees. Bottom rack. Go ahead and go ahead and get started on these pancakes. I'm on medium heat. Gonna put us a little grease in here. About a tablespoon and a half. Move that around up in there. We're just going to pour some of this in there. Alright. Just going to let that go. And I'll let you know when it's time to flip that. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just bringing the camera up close so I can show you these little holes and stuff around here. When they're doing like that, then you know it's about time to flip it, okay? So let me go ahead and put this back. I like to take the oil like so. Give me a spatula, come up under there, and just go around it like so. Loosen it up, and then flip it. That's all you're doing. And that shouldn't take no longer than probably about 2 minutes on each side. Alright, I'll show you what we'll be doing next after these pancakes. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're going to start working on these hash browns. I'm doing like 2 or 3 of them at a time. With one of them at a time extra. I'm going to put a little grease in there. Move it around. Like that. We're still on medium heat. Let me show you the pancakes. I ended up making like 6 of those. So this is the pancakes right here. Alright. Alright. So we're just going to get us a handful of these. Put that in there. We're just going to let that cook up. Bring it together. So this is all they do at Denny's. I'm telling you, I used to work there. I used to be a cook, a line chef, or a line cook rather. Our bacon almost done, and sausage. So I'm gonna go check on that. We're gonna let this crisp up. You'll see it crisp up around the edges. And then that's when we know when to flip it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All I did with this bacon and the sausage is turn them around. Okay, that's all I did, guys. I'm gonna put this back in there and let this finish cooking. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and check on this real quick to see if it's time to be flipped. Yep. That's all they do, guys. That's what I'm telling you. And we're gonna let it get a little bit more browner. I'm just gonna leave that spatula on there and let that cook up. We'll get you guys over here closer. So that's how it's looking so far, right there. So we want it a little bit more browner. So I'm just going to leave that spatula on there, and I'll put this in the oven, the bacon and sausage, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm working on my second one. I just want to come in here. And just flip it. Takes about a good 5 minutes or whatever, depending on how high you got that stove. Alright, so that's how that looks. Show you the other one I made. Bacon is done. So that's the other one I made earlier. Now got the sausage and bacon. And we be doing the eggs next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm going to start out with a little olive oil. I did turn mine on medium low. About so much of the olive oil. So about, and then you're gonna go with like a teaspoon of the butter. The olive oil helps keep the butter from burning. Now you don't want to salt this stuff, okay? At all. So you just want to move that around up in here. Your egg, just like so. We're just gonna let that cook, guys, on low, because we don't want the burn of these eggs to stick. So we at on 3. I got an electric stove here. So, and when I'm doing this, I'm allowing the oil get up under the eggs, okay? Alright, we're just going to let that cook. I'll probably scramble the other ones, because I know a lot of people don't like the sunny side up. I know my kids don't, so, but I do. So alright, we're going to let this cook, guys, for about 2 to 3 minutes or whatever. And then take it out. Now what you could do, let me show you that. While that's going, you can take something like this to put over it. That helps sting the egg a little bit. Like so. Just cook it low. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just took the lid off of there. Now you see how them eggs looking? Now if you want them to look like that picture perfect, you just take you something like a spatula or something like this and just trim the edges. That's all they doing, I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you. Hey, I know what's going on in that kitchen. Trust me when I tell you. That's all they doing. Yeah. Ain't nothing to it. And that's your egg. Sunny side up. Right there. Alright. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this to the plate. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to do the scrambled ones. Pour that in there. And with the scrambled egg, all you're doing is building in layers. Cook it low and slow. Believe me when I tell you, it come out perfect every time. I will leave a link to one of my eggs that I did for you guys if you want me to. But it's just slow and slow. That's it. You're building layers. Like when it's built up, you're just pushing it like this to the middle. Like so. That's all you're doing. And the best time to salt the eggs or any eggs is like when it's close to being done and you take it off the eye. Alright? So this is all we doing. Alright, see you guys. This probably cooked for about a good 2 or 3 minutes because I'm doing it low and slow. And then I'll probably salt it up and that's it. See how you see them layers forming? That's all you're doing. Pushing it in the middle. You can do that if you want. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Show you guys how everything looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this Denny's Super Slam breakfast. Alright, let me show you the one with the scrambled eggs. That's how that looks. It's the one with the sunny side up, the traditional way. Alright, there you have it. Denny's Super Slam. I got some Mrs. Butterworth right here, so they can put that on there, so whatever the case may be. I got already been eating on mine, so anyway, to say that, to say this, I'm going to see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. But please, before you go, give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. Happy eating.